This is awesome.
One Millennium Falcon delivered.
Yes, sir.
To Earth.
Oh, man.
A little bit different looking, huh?
Yes. Yes.
I even have to say, I'm like, man, once we put the wheels and tires on it, I'm like, it all came together pretty nice.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
Baja grocery getter right there. We'll just, you know, don't pay attention. Don't hate him because he has a Raiders shirt on, though. You know.
Raiders.
You guys want to know what we did to this thing? This thing is killer. I wish Austin was here to get pictures of it beforehand. He was MIA. There's smacking. All those smack sounds just knock this boy around into shape. All right, guys. So let's talk about what we did. He can get familiar with it. You guys can get familiar with it. So if you have a Jayco, right there, see Millennium Falcon right there. All right, guys. So Baja grocery getter kit up front, 285 70 17 tires on there, clearing, no problem whatsoever, easy peasy. So extended radius arms up in there. We have our awesome Skyjacker coils and our Fox shocks up in the front. The coils are giving us all the height in order to clear this bigger tire. The shock is there to control the ride. The extended radius arms, if you guys have never watched one of our videos and are living under a rock, the point of the extended radius arms is because you see one for one how big this tire is. We don't want the tire rubbing on the skirting or on the wheel well. What we're able to do, and you can tell in here, is if I'll make Austin come all the way around here, you can see that the tire used to actually rub here, and that had a smaller tire on there. So definitely a problem. So we're able to cheat all of your suspension forward, giving you a lot more room. Now this doesn't have a front bumper in the front, which is nice, so now there's nothing to cut in the front. The biggest benefit though of the radius arms are going to be that first, they are 9 inches longer than stock, so we build more caster into the radius arm, and having that longer radius arm is going to give you less caster change as this wheel moves up and down as you're having fun out in the desert. To finish this thing off, we obviously added our Fox steering stabilizer to wrap this thing up in the front, and now off to the back. A giant set of leaf springs in there to hold this thing up. This thing was a beast, it was pretty heavy. So definitely having a bigger set of leaf springs in there is going to help. Not having to run any blocks is also gonna give you a better ride. So we're going with a progressive leaf spring. Typically there's about 8 to 9 leaves in a pack like this. Depending on the weight of your van, we will build the leaves accordingly. And then really simple in the back to control all this new ride, the new height, these awesome tires, it's just a set of Fox shocks, and that's it. For now, this is round 1. Wait till you see round 2. So another video will follow this when we add all kinds of more fun stuff. If that's even a complete sentence, which I doubt it is, but who cares? So that's all I got for you guys. That's it. If you have questions, and I know you guys have smashed that subscribe button. It's that big red box right there. Like, maybe Austin will fit it in my hand so it looks like I'm holding it, you know? Boom, 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 boom. So smash that button. Austin's cracking up laughing. What am I gonna do with me? All right, guys, that's all I got. We're done. I think he wants his van. He's got a long drive all the way back home too.
Well, I'm going to Palm Springs, but then I'm going to work up in Nevada, 2 hours south of Idaho.
So lots of driving to do, so he'll be able to give us a full report on this. And that's all I got. You guys, he got to see it first, and now you guys. So that's it. Go home. See ya.